Welcome to Maths 123. So in this question, we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. So here the given equation is x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6 is equal to 25 divided by 24 square. Let me write this equation here. So first step here, we have to multiply this binomial with this binomial. First, we know how to do that multiplication. So first I will write this x and then I will multiply this x with x minus 6 with this binomial. Then I will write negative 5. I'll multiply this negative 5 with the second binomial, which is x minus 6 is equal to 5 divided by 24 whole square. So again we have to multiply this x with this x, so I'll get x square. Then this x with negative 6, I will get negative 6x. Now we'll multiply this negative 5 with this x, so I'll get negative 5x. Now I will multiply this negative 5 with this negative 6. So we know that when we multiply two negative integers, we'll get positive result. So I'll get here as 30 is equal to 25 divided by 24 whole square. So I'll get here x square. This is negative 6x and this one is negative 5x. So we'll add them and we'll keep negative sign and we'll get 11x plus 30 is equal to 25 divided by 24 whole square. Now I'll take this whole thing to right hand side. So I'll get x square negative 11x plus 30 negative 25 divided by 24 whole square is equal to 0. And to solve this portion, I'll take LCM. So LCM is 24 whole square. So I'll write here x square negative 11x plus the 24 whole square is equal to 576. Now I will multiply this 30 with 576 negative 25 divided by 24 whole square. I'm not writing here 576. I'm writing here 24 whole square, which is equal to 0. I'll get here x square negative 11x plus, now I will multiply this 576 with 30. So I'll get 17280. So I'll write here 17280 minus 25 divided by 24 whole square is equal to 0. So again I'll solve this x square minus 11x plus, if I subtract these two, I'll get 17255 divided by 24 whole square is equal to 0. Now this equation is my quadratic equation and I'm not going to solve this quadratic equation with conventional method. So here I'll use one trick. So what will I do? I will multiply this 11 and divide this 11 with 24. So I'll get x square minus 11 into 24 divided by 24x plus 17255 divided by 24 whole square is equal to 0. Now if I multiply this 11 with 24, then I'll get 264. So I'll write here 264. So this is x square minus 264 divided by 24 x plus 17255 divided by 24 whole square is equal to 0. Next step here, I will split this 264 divided by 24 two numbers such that when I multiply these two numbers, I will get 17255 divided by 24 whole square, and when I add or subtract these two numbers, I will get 264 divided by 24, and to find those numbers, I will do the prime factorization of 17255. So this number will goes with 5. So I'll get here 3451. See, this is clear. So this will go with 17. We'll get 203 here, and then this will go with, I think it will go with 7. So here I'll get 29. So we know this 29 is a prime number. So if I multiply all these numbers, I'll get 17255. Now here we'll rearrange these numbers. Multiply 5 with 29. I'll get 145. And if 17 into 7 is equal to 119. See here, if I add these two numbers, I'll get 264. So it means my two numbers are negative 145 and negative 119. And when we multiply these two numbers, we'll get 17255. So here I have 24, so I'll have to divide with 24 also. So see here, I'll get x square minus 145 divided by 24x, negative 119 divided by 24x, plus I can write 145 divided by 24 into negative 119 divided by 24 is equal to 0. We know when we multiply these two negative numbers, negative into negative is always equal to plus. So here I'll get plus sign only. Now I can write this as x square minus 145 divided by 24x minus 119 24x plus 145 divided by 24 into 119 divided by 24 is equal to 0. Now I'll pair these two and these two. So from here x is common, I'll take this out. So inside I will be left with x minus 145 divided by 24. So here from here I'll take 119 divided by 24 out, and inside I will be left with x minus 145 divided by 24 is equal to 0. From here I'll get x minus 119 divided by 24 into x minus 145 divided by 24 is equal to 0. So this implies either x minus 119 divided by 24 is equal to 0 or x minus 145 divided by 24 is equal to 0. So from here I'll get x is equal to 119 divided by 24, and from here I'll get x is equal to 145 divided by 24. So x is equal to 119 divided by 24 and x is equal to 145 divided by 24 are two solutions of my given equation. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.